Hi everyone, let us discuss this example. It is very simple example. The difference is here we have to find the nth derivative. Getting remaining part is quite simple. So let me write a given function. We have y is equal to e raised to mx plus e raised to minus mx. Okay, as you can see here we have y n plus 2. That means it is expected to find second derivative of y first and then we have to take nth derivative. I will do the same. So let me take derivative of this function differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of y is y1. Addition is there, you can take separate derivatives, right? Derivative of e raised to mx is e raised to mx. Again derivative of mx is m. We call it as a chain rule. Plus derivative of this term. Derivative of e raised to minus mx is e raised to minus mx. Since you know that derivative of exponential function is always same, so that's why. And again derivative of minus mx is minus m. So let me write properly. It is m e raised to mx minus m e raised to minus mx. So as I told you earlier, we have y n plus 2. That means we have to take second derivative first and then we should go for nth derivative. Right now we have just first derivative only. Let us take one more derivative. Differentiating with respect to x. So let us take derivative now. Derivative of y1 is y2. That suffix denotes derivative. First derivative we have. If you take one more derivative, we will have the second derivative. So that's why I wrote y2. Subtraction is there. You can take separate derivatives. M is constant. Derivative of e raised to mx is e raised to mx. Again derivative of mx is m. Chain rule, right? Minus m constant, I kept it outside. Derivative of e raised to minus mx is e raised to minus mx. Again derivative of minus mx is minus m. Chain rule. So let me write it properly. M into m we have m square e raised to mx minus m plus m square e raised to minus mx. Okay, tell me what can we take common? We can take m square common here. Okay, so let me write here. We can take m square common. So y2 is equal to m square common. Inside the bracket we have e raised to mx and this e raised to minus mx. E raised to mx plus e raised to minus mx. But see, we have seen this term somewhere. Yes, that is nothing but our y. So that bracket can be replaced by this y. Okay. So y2 is equal to m square y. Okay. So this is a very important thing we have got. So as I told you earlier, we need to find second derivative. Yes, we got it. Now I should take nth derivative. Okay, I will take nth derivative. Taking nth derivative of both sides. Nth derivative of both sides. See what will you have if you take nth derivative. y2 I am taking nth derivative. M square is constant, will come outside nth derivative. So second derivative already we have, we are taking nth derivative again. So we'll have y n plus 2 derivative. Getting? For example, suppose we have a second derivative, we are taking 100 derivative again. So 100 and plus previous 2, that means 100 and 100 plus 2 derivative. Getting? 102 derivative. So this is y n plus 2 m square. Here we have y n. Let us take this term on left hand side. So y n plus 2 minus m square y n is equal to 0. Right? Same thing we want. We proved it. Okay. So in this way we completed this example. Make a screenshot of it. Then we will stop. Thank you. Bye bye.